Hey, what's going on? Dave here, back at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with another walkthrough demonstration of this brand new 2023 Grand Design Imagine. This is the 3100 RD, and I really like this floor plan. This is different. This is something you haven't seen before. Let's get started.
So starting here at the front of our coach on our Imagine, we've got a full fiberglass front cap. Got like a bed liner feel here for the rock chips. This is aluminum too. Not going to damage your fiberglass front cap by taking the rocks there. We wrap around here. Check out this storage. Huge storage door, pass through all the way through. Lots of room to store anything that you'll need when you go out camping. So let's take a quick peek inside. Okay, so stepping into our 3100 RD Imagine here. Couple things I'd really like to point out. We have our legless dinette here. Lots of room for all four people to sit down. They're not kicking anything that's holding a table together. Lots of counter space here and over there. This actually folds up to extend your counter space, which is awesome. One thing that I love that Imagine is doing consistently now is our 12-volt fridge. So getting rid of those propane fins at the back there, they're significantly more efficient, and the Imagine comes equipped with at least 190 watts of solar up top, which is awesome. So more counter space, move in this direction, and a lot of pantry space. Okay, and so this is our rear den. Lots of seating options, obviously, as you can take a quick look around. So right here we have our Thomas Paine collection seats. These are going to have heated and your massage. They also have some LED lights in your cup holders. The two chairs on either side here are both tri-fold sofas that meet in the middle. Almost queen bed size, so lots of space to sleep some of your friends that come along with you. Obviously a really good entertainment center. So this is a great spot to hang out with your friends while you're all out camping. So a quick look in our bathroom here. Obviously Grand Design, no compromising quality. Going to come standard with your porcelain toilet. And then also going away from curtains, which is really nice. So this is your screen door shower. So now stepping into our bedroom here, we've got our two pocket doors, both for the bathroom and our bedroom. Saves a lot of space that way. You can actually maneuver around without accidentally hitting yourself with the door. Lots of wardrobe space, cupboards everywhere, couple reading lights. This is a queen size bed here, a full size queen. And as if this storage wasn't enough, looking over on this side, we actually have a full wardrobe. So wardrobe up top and drawers down below, which is great.
Well, there you go. A quick walkthrough and demonstration of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3100 RD. For more information on this unit and others here at Brett's RV, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.